Need a Turnitin account but don't know where to start? Don't worry, this video will show you exactly how to create one in just a few minutes. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Turnitin website. On the home page, look for the Create Account link right next to the Login button and click it. You'll be asked to choose an account type. Select Student, since Turnitin accounts are created through your class. Next, enter the class ID and class enrollment key provided by your instructor. These are required, so make sure you type them correctly. After that, fill in your personal details. Enter your first name and last name, then type your BUE email address and re-enter it to confirm. Now create your password. Choose a strong password, then type it again to confirm. Once that's done, select a secret question from the drop-down menu and enter your answer. Make sure you remember this information. You may need it later to recover your account. And that's it! Your Turnitin account is now ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your classmates who might need it too.